Hi, I'm Sharon Burns. I've been teaching at Valencia for about 6 years. I teach freshman composition 1 and 2. Right now I'm an adjunct. I just finished up a visiting professor for 8 months. Early alert is important, especially now with COVID, because students just aren't prepared to do work online. They've gotten away with not doing a lot of work because of all the inconveniences and problems caused by COVID. And I think we need to find a way to re-engage these students. So by the end of the course, you will have created an engagement plan for your courses. Which do you think will be first implemented? I think by the time I have freshman composition 2 students, those students have gotten through one course. They're already on their way to being successful students. I think my freshman composition 1 class is where most of the issues lay, and I want to work on my early alert um, strategies for those classes, especially the online sections. What student behaviors would you like to address? They just don't look through the materials. They don't reach out for help. They just, if they don't understand something, they ignore it. And half the time they don't understand it because they haven't watched the videos and those sort of things. Um, so it is challenging to make it so that they do have to go step by step through the program. Uh, and there are a number of things I plan on addressing. I definitely plan on also sitting down um, with some of my peers and trying to work on my online course a little to make it more engaging for students. Valencia strategic and okay, about graduation. So we have to get them through. No student in Valencia is going to graduate if we can't get them through freshman composition 1. All of the degrees require that course pretty much, and if we want to increase our graduation rates, we need to start with these courses that are their introductory courses, their beginner, their foundation courses that they need to be successful in all other classes. They need to have good written and oral communication skills for their other courses and for their futures. And I think it's very important that I find better engagement plans or improve my engagement plan for students in that course, because I want every student to be successful. I truly do. Okay, well, I hope that helps. Bye.